Morning, friends. Declaring God's presence as enough for me, I read to you Exodus 33, verse 14. And he said, "My presence will go with you, and I will give you rest." Please pray with me. Lord, I thank you that your presence goes with me and gives me rest. Today I choose to seek you as my sufficiency, knowing that apart from you, I can do nothing. Where I have looked to circumstances, achievements, or other people for comfort, redirect my heart to you alone. Let me experience the peace and security that come from dwelling in your presence. May my soul find its satisfaction in you, Lord, and may every step I take today be guided by your nearness. Let my life become a reflection of your abiding presence. Amen.